time, we said stationary point is the point at which our y prime is equals to 0. So it means 2s squared minus 4s should be equals to 0. Now, what is common between these two things here? Of course, is 2x. So we have 2x bracket x minus 2 is equals to 0 because 2s is common. 2s divided by this will give us s remaining. Then minus 2s going to 4s will give us 2. Everything is equals to 0. So 2x will be equals to 0 and x minus 2 will be equals to 0. So x will be 0 over 2 and x is equal to 2. So that your x will be equals to 0 and x is equals to 2. So these are our x value, but we must have corresponding y value. Is that okay? We must have corresponding y value. All right, so how do we calculate the corresponding y value? It's kind of very easy. All right, so what we are going to do is substitute this x into this first equation. Substitute this one into the first equation. So what do we have? Y is 2 over 3 and then s raised to the power of 3 minus 2s squared plus 1. Now, when s is equals to 0, what will be your y? You now substitute. It will now be y is 2 over 3, x is 0, so here will be 0 to the power of 3 minus 2 bracket 0 squared plus 1. Y will be equals to everything, of course, will give us 0 minus 0 plus 1. And y will be equals to 1. So when x is 0, y is equals to 1. The next case is when x is, what was the other s value we got? When x is 2. All right? So when x is 2, what do you think y will be? Y will be 2 over 3 bracket 2 to the power of 3 minus 2 bracket 2 squared plus 1. And then y will be equals to 2 over 3. 2 squared is 8 minus 2 bracket 4 plus 1. And then y is 2 times 8 is 16 over 3 minus 8 plus 1. Minus 8 plus 1 is what? Minus 7. So what's the LCM here? The LCM is 3. 3 going to this is 1 times this is 16 minus 3 going to this is 3. And the 3 divided by 1 is 3. Then times 7 is 21. So y will be 16 minus 21 is what? Is minus 5 over 3. So when x is 2, y is what? Minus 5 over 3. So these are the stationary points. We have two stationary points, 0 and 1, and 2 minus 5 over 3. Of course, one of the stationary points will be a maximum point, and the other one will be a minimum point. Is that okay? Let us see the next question. The next question says, find the equation of the normal to the curve. That was what was given. Find the equation of the normal to the curve. Given this, what you have here. First of all, we have to note that the equation of the normal to the curve, the formula is y minus y1 is m bracket x minus x1, m2 rather. But first of all, we need to find m1. m1 is our dy dx from this equation. So we have to differentiate this. This is implicit differentiation, my dear student. So plus x plus y is equals to 0. When you differentiate this, first let's differentiate s squared. That will give us 2xy. Differentiate y, it will give us 1 times this s. The 1, of course, you know it will follow the y dx multiplied by the x squared plus differentiate y squared to give us what? 2y dy dx plus 1 plus, when you differentiate this y here, it will give us dy dx. Everything should give us 0. Is that okay? Now at this point in time, take all the dy dx to one side. So that will give us s squared, because x squared times 1 will give us s squared dy dx plus 2y dy dx plus dy dx is 2xy plus 1. All right? That is what this one will give to us. Now, at this point in time, what do you think? Not 2x1 plus y. It's supposed to be, plus 2xy plus 1. Everything is equals to 0. Now, take all the dy dx, collect like term. So this will be dy dx. Not use what is common here is dy dx. So what will be left here is s squared. What will be left here is 2y. What will be left here is what? 1 plus 2sy plus 1 is equals to 0. So that our dy dx, s squared plus 2y, this is supposed to be 2, yes, plus 2y. Is it 2y? Yes, plus 1. Take this one to this side, becomes minus 1 minus 2sy. So divide both sides by s squared plus 2y plus 1. S squared plus 2y plus 1. This cancel this. Your dy dx minus 1 minus 2 sy divided by s squared plus 2y plus 1. Now they gave you points at point minus 1 and 1. So let's write our dy dx again. So dy dx is minus 1 minus 2xy divided by s squared plus 2y plus 1. Now, these values you have here means x is equals to minus 1, y is equals to 1. That is the meaning. So wherever you see x, put minus 1. Wherever you see y, put 1. So your dy dx is minus 1 minus 2 bracket minus 1 bracket 1 divided by minus 1 square plus 2 bracket 1 plus 1. So that your dy over the s will be minus 1 minus minus will give us plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2 will give us 1 on top here. And then minus 1 square will give us 1 plus 2 plus 1 will give us 4. So dy dx is 1 over 4. Our dy dx is equals to m1, which is equals to 1 over 4. But the equation of normal, they use m2. Now, one thing you should know is that m1, m2 should give us minus 1. So our m1 is 1 over 4. So we have 1 over 4 m2 should be minus 1. So to get m2, m2 will be minus 1 divided by 1 over 4. When you simplify this, m2 will give us minus 4. So that is our m2. Our m2 is minus 4. Now, what was the equation? The equation says y minus y1 is m bracket x minus x1. Our y1 is what? Is 1. This is our y1 here. This one here. Are you getting it? Now, is equal to our m is minus 4. X minus x1 is this our minus 1 here. So we have minus 1 close. So here will give us y minus 1 minus 4 x plus 1. Y minus 1 is minus 4s minus 4. Now y would be equals to minus 4s minus 4 plus 1. Y is minus 4s minus 3. And that is the solution to that question. Is that okay? All right, so that is that for that question. Let us see the next one. The next one says 90 raised to the power of 13s. We've actually solved the question like this before. Now, the idea is if you have integral of a to the power of f of x dx, the idea is just write a to the power of f of x divided by natural logarithm of a multiplied by 1 all over the derivative of f of x. That is the short way of solving it. Is that okay? In this case, our a is 90. Our f of s is 13s. So this will give us integral of 90 13s dx. Our a is 90. So this will give us 90. F of s is 13s. So we have 13x divided by natural logarithm of a. A is 90. So natural logarithm of 90 multiplied by 1 over f prime of s. That is the derivative of f of s. When you differentiate 13x, that will give us what? 13. So final answer will be what? 90 13x divided by what? 13 natural logarithm of 90. And that is the solution to that question. We solved something like this before. All right? It's a very simple something. Let's see the next one. We have y is equals to sine 7s tan 35s. So determine the y dx. Now, y is equals to sine 7s tan 35x. First, we have to use chain rule, product rule. Let u be sine 7x what do you think u prime will be? When you differentiate sine 7x, it will give us 7 cos is sine. When you differentiate sine, it will give us cos 7x. Our v is tan 35x. V prime will be equals to 35 sec square 35x. All right. Now, what is the formula using product rule? Says the y dx is u v prime plus v u prime. What is our u, my dear student? The y dx will be u is what? Sine 7x. V prime is what? V prime is 35 sec square 35s plus v is what? Tan 35x, and then u prime is 7 cos 7x. And that is the answer to this question. You don't necessarily need to simplify further. All right? You don't necessarily need to simplify further. Just end it here. Is that okay? Let us see the next question. The next question says integral of cos x over cos square x minus 1. Now, do you know that cos square x minus 1 is written as minus sine square x? Are you aware? Exactly. The reason is because if this minus sine square x crosses to this side, this one crosses to this side, become cos square x plus sine square x is equals to 1, which is trigonometric identity. Is that okay? So, at this point in time, you now put this into this equation. In place of cos square s minus 1, put minus sine square s. So this will give us integral cos s divided by minus sine square x dx. Then let u be sine x. Du over dx will be cos s, and then your dx will be du over cos x. So in place of this dx, put du over cos s. Is that okay? So that will give us integral cos x. Remember that we said let u be equals to what? Sine s. So here will be minus, since it's squared, become u squared, times du over cos x. Cos x cancels cos x, become minus 1 over u squared du. All right? So that if you now integrate this, this will give us u minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 plus c, of course, which will give us u minus 1 divided by minus 1, which will give us minus u minus 1, which is the same as what? Minus 1 over u. Is that okay? So in place of this integral, just put minus 1 over u. So this will give us minus bracket minus 1 over u plus c. All right. Your u is what? This multiplied by this, it will now give us 1 over u plus c. Your u was sine x. Is that okay? So this will now give us 1 over sine x plus c, which will give us cosec x plus c. So that is the answer to that question. It's a very simple one too. Let us see the next question. The next question has to do with integration by partial fraction. All right? It has to do with integration by partial fraction. So how do we solve integration by partial fraction? It's a very simple something. We have integral of 5 x plus 4 x minus 3 dx. All right? Now, at the end of the day, you have 5 x plus 4 x minus 3 is a divided by x plus 3 plus b divided by x minus 3. You know how to solve partial fractions. All right? So that's basically what we are going to employ in this case, solving it with partial fraction. So for partial fraction, we say if we have something like this, become 5 divided by x plus 4, then x minus 3 is equals to x plus 3. This is supposed to be, it's supposed to be x plus 4 x minus 3. If this one divide this, you have x minus 3 left. So a bracket x minus 3. This one divide, you have s plus 4 left. So you have b bracket s plus 4. When this cancel this, 5 will be equals to a bracket x minus 3 plus b bracket s plus 4. Is that okay? Now, at this point in time, you are now going to say let x minus 3 be equals to 0. So x is equals to 3. Substitute that into this equation. So this gives us 5 is a bracket 3 minus 3 plus b bracket 3 plus 4. 3 minus 3 is 0 times this is 0. Then we'll have b. 3 plus 4 is what? 7b. So divide both sides by 7. Our b is 5 over 7. Now to get a, s plus 4 should be equals to 0. X will be minus 4. Substitute in. That will give us 5 is a bracket 4 minus 3 plus minus 4 minus 3 plus b minus 4 plus 3. 5 will be minus 7a plus 0. All right? So that at the end of the day, 5 is minus 7a which is cancel. A will be minus 5 over 7. So that is our A and our B. Recall that it is equals to this initially. A, x plus 4, B, s minus 3. All right? Exactly. Abi? Yes. So in place of A, we put minus 5 over 7. So this will be minus 5 over 7 divided by s plus 4 plus b is also 5 over 7. So 5 over 7 divided by s minus 3. So it will now be the integral 5 over 7 divided by s plus 4 plus integral 5 over 7. This is supposed to be minus divided by x minus 3. Now this minus 5 over 7 can come out. If it comes out, it becomes minus 5 over 7 integral 1 over x plus 4. This one will come up out 5 over 7 integral 1 over x minus 3. When you integrate 1 over 4, x plus 4, it will give us natural logarithm of x plus 4. So this will give us natural logarithm of what? X plus 4 plus 5 over 7 natural logarithm of x minus 3 plus c. All right? So that if you want to rearrange, it becomes 5 over 7 natural logarithm of x minus 3 minus 5 over 7 natural logarithm of x plus 4 plus c, since this one has a negative sign. And in mathematics, this minus 5 over 4, these two, they are the same. So you can take it you can take it 5 over 7 rather, natural logarithm. If you are told that if division is between logarithm, you can, if negative sign is in between logarithm, you can divide them, find their quotient. So this will be x minus 3 divided by s plus 4 plus c. And this is the answer to this question. Is that okay? This is the answer to this question. So let us see